Hello everyone! Gusto mo bang ma-improve ang communication skills mo at maging confident na customer handling? Then this is your time to shine, kabayan! Join our customer service training course at maging certified in just 1 month dito lang sa ICSA Kuwait City. Dito, matututunan mo kung paano mag-deliver ng excellent customer service from handling complaints professionally to effective communication and active listening, telephone and front desk etiquette, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Plus, tuturuan ka rin namin kung paano mag-build ng customer trust and loyalty, mga skills na hinahanap-hanap ng bawat employer sa service industry. Once a week classes lang every Friday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. face-to-face class dito sa ICSA Kuwait City. So if you're dreaming of a little job or a career, upgrade your customer service skills. Start your journey with ICSA, your partner in success. For more details, message us now on our WhatsApp number at +96593028850 or at +96560767714. This is Miss Mumina with ICSA, your partner in success.